Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor Zoology, SPCGC अजमेर। आज हम लैंड पोल्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Unwanted chemicals and materials added to the soil are known as land pollution. Unwanted chemicals जो भी soil में add होते हैं वो land pollution के नाम से जाने जाते हैं। They can be domestic waste, municipal waste, industrial waste, biomedical waste, automobile and related waste, radioactive pollution, agricultural and chemical waste. More than 1000 type of toxic human-made chemicals are known. They are very harmful. Effects of soil pollution on ecosystem and effects of soil pollution on human health. Domestic and municipal waste. A. Printed paper, ink PCB. B. Carbon paper, carbon-less copy paper type. Next, DMP printer, dry ribbon, cloth dyes. All human-made chemical dyes are carcinogenic, means they are cancer-producing. Dry cell, nickel, cadmium, lithium, nickel, MH cell, all are very hazardous waste. Battery should not be thrown in soil directly. Polythene, polythene bags, plastic, thermocol, non-biodegradable waste, these are all harmful waste. Leaves, fruits and vegetable peel off, metals like iron, brass, copper, zinc and glass, chemicals, that is insecticides, pesticides, termite killing chemicals, medicines, nail paint remover, paint thinner, varnish, tarpaulin oil, detergent, soap, mouthwash, toothpaste, body spray, these are all land pollutants. Condenser of fan, insulated wire, rubber, leather, slipper, shoes, tubes, tires, packing material, electronic toy, calculator, these are all causing land pollution. Building material, stone, iron, glass, etc. Dry cleaning chemicals, acetone, trichloroethylene, formaldehyde, photo processing lab chemicals, ceramic pots, urban waste disposal. Sites are also polluted. Soil is chemically polluted, and after rains, leaching, underground water also becomes polluted. Industrial waste, thermal power plant, dust, smog, contains zinc, cadmium, lead, mercury, slurry generated from granite marble, waste from dyeing and printing industries, acid from battery factories, chemicals from industries, waste from tanneries, chromium, dairy waste, high BOD. Dairy waste are high biological oxygen demand waste. Industrial chemical vehicles, accident chemical reach in soil. Accidentally chemicals reach in soil. After rains and leaching, underground water also becomes polluted. Biomedical waste. Clinic, hospital, primary healthcare centers produce biomedical waste. These are infected needles, cotton, syringe, plaster, gloves, packing material, jar, etc. Medicines, chemicals and radioactive waste. Now comes automobile waste. Transport is the main cause of pollution. Suspended particulate matter or respirable suspended particulate matter. Petrol pumps produce benzene, ethyl benzene, toluene, xylene, alkane, alkene, MTBI, harmful chemicals, TEL is mixed in petrol as anti-knocking agent. Reactor, factory, nuclear power station, nuclear medicine factory, soil also become radioactive, agriculture and chemical waste. Artificial fertilizers are toxic. They produce toxic chemicals. Insecticides, pesticides are also toxic. Some reduced and form hazardous waste and pollute agricultural land. Effects of soil pollution. A. Effect on ecosystem. B. Effect on human health. Effect on ecosystem. Soil becomes acidic. Affect microbiota of the soil. Kills useful microbes of soil. Nitrifying, denitrifying and nitrogen fixing bacteria. Fungus. Due to chemical, soil become infertile. Biomagnification also takes place. That is, DDT, reproductive behavior of many animal changes, especially birds. Calcium metabolism is affected. Eggshell becomes thin, reduces and break easily, so birds cannot reproduce and they become extinct. That is why nowadays number of predator birds are decreasing. Pollutant chemical also affect plant metabolism. Crop yield also decreases. Slurry and dust becomes polluted. Soil is not suitable further for agriculture. Effect of on human health. Soil pollution enters in food chain and all food chain and food web becomes affected. Soil is polluted after rain, canals, rivers become polluted, plants become polluted, aquatic animals and plants become polluted, fish which is consumed by human being also becomes polluted. Pollutants reach underground water due to leaching and this water is used for agriculture, so the crops also become polluted. Human, players, gardeners, farmers, masons, they are all persons which come in direct contact of polluted soils, and animals which come in contact of polluted soil also become polluted. Effect of soil pollution on human. Chromium, DDT are carcinogenic, cancer producing. Benzene causes leukemia. बेंजीन जो है वो ब्लड कैंसर कॉज करता है. लेड. Bad effects of lead on body, especially nervous system. Memory loss is observed in children. In adults, kidneys become affected. PCBs, polychlorinated biphenyls, pollute soil and damage liver. Cyclodiene also damage liver. Organophosphates, न्यूरोमस्कुलर ब्लॉकेज. ऑर्गेनोफॉस्फेट्स जो हैं वो न्यूरोमस्कुलर ब्लॉकेज करते हैं. सॉइल बिकम्स पोल्यूटेड. हेडेक, नोजिया, वॉमिटिंग, इरिटेटिंग बिहेवियर, eyes swelling and irritating skin diseases occur. Fatigue can also cause death. Management of soil pollution. To stop soil pollution, domestic, municipal, industrial, biomedical waste should be collected and disposed of properly. BMWM is biomedical waste management. LWM is liquid waste management. Important points are: solid waste are not same in nature. Some are more hazardous and some are less. Life of some chemicals are short and others are long. Biodegradable or non-biodegradable, light reducing or not. Some are inflammable, some are recyclable and can be expensive or cheap. Some are very hazardous. Example of Love Canal. USA, Niagara Falls Canal is situated, known as Love Canal, 1.6 km and 15 feet broad, 10 feet deep. Work of that canal was stopped and hazardous chemicals were disposed of in that canal. Hooker Chemical Industries in 1952 disposed of 2200 ton hazardous chemical in that canal and covered with 4 feet thick smooth clay soil. जो हुकर केमिकल कंपनी थी उसने बहुत हजार्डस केमिकल जो कि 2200 टन था वो इस केनाल में डिस्पोज ऑफ किया और उसको 4 फीट मोटी क्ले से ढक दिया. स्कूल वॉज बिल्ट लेटर ऑन दैट सॉइल. इस सॉइल के ऊपर बाद में एक स्कूल बनाया गया. पॉल्यूटेंट्स कॉज्ड फाउल स्मेल. पॉल्यूटेंट्स इतने ज्यादा थे इसमें उन्होंने फाउल स्मेल कॉज करी. लुइस गिब्स नामक व्यक्ति ने इसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया एंड फाउंड दैट कार्सिनोजेनिक केमिकल्स वर देयर. सारे जो केमिकल्स थे उसमें वो कैंसर प्रोड्यूसिंग थे. 300 पर्सन्स इमीडिएटली डिस्प्लेस्ड ऑफ. और 300 लोगों को वहां से डिस्प्लेस कर दिया गया. क्रोमोसोम्स वर डैमेज्ड. उन लोगों के क्रोमोसोम्स डैमेज हुए थे. कैंसर वॉज प्रोड्यूस्ड. रिप्रोडक्टिव डिजीजेस वर ऑब्जर्व्ड. हेरिडिटरी डिजीजेस. सुपर फंड वॉज मेड टू करेक्ट दैट पॉल्यूशन. वहां पर सुपर फंड कलेक्ट किया गया उस पॉल्यूशन को करेक्ट करने के लिए. नाउ कम्स टाइम्स बीच एंड डाइऑक्सिन स्केर. टाइम्स बीच का भी इसी तरह का एक एग्जाम्पल है. मिसूरी अमेरिका. सेंट लुइस स्टार टाइम्स. मरेमैक रिवर एक रिवर है वहां पर. फ्लड एरिया अर्बनाइज्ड विथ टेम्पटेशन ऑफ फ्री न्यूज़पेपर. फ्लड एरिया को अर्बनाइज किया गया और उनको टेम्पटेशन दिया गया फ्री न्यूज़पेपर का. यूज्ड ऑयल स्प्रेड टू स्टॉप डस्ट. वहां पर डस्ट बहुत थी इसलिए केमिकल का ऑयल जो यूज था वो स्प्रे कर दिया गया. 1972 से 76 में ऑयल वॉज फ्रॉम हजार्डस केमिकल. वो जो ऑयल स्प्रे किया गया वो हजार्डस केमिकल फैक्ट्री का था एंड 62 हॉर्सेस डाइड इमीडिएटली. उस ऑयल के स्प्रे से 62 हॉर्सेस की डेथ हो गई. डाई ऑक्साइड वॉज 100 टाइम्स मोर देन सेफ लिमिट. बाद में ये पाया गया कि उसमें डाई ऑक्साइड 100 टाइम्स सेफ लिमिट से ज्यादा था. 1982 फ्लड डाइऑक्सिन स्प्रेड. 1996 to 97 28 areas of 256000 ton soil incinerated and $11 crore expenditure was done to correct that soil. Lead pollution and lead poisoning. lead pollution से जो बीमारी होती है उसे हम बोलते हैं प्लम्बिज्म. lead used by human because of low melting point, non rusting, lead acetate to sweeten the alcohol. अल्कोहल को मीठा करने के लिए भी lead acetate का यूज किया जाता है और इसके कारण सेटरनाइन गाउट नामक बीमारी होती है. एंड कॉजेस ऑफ लेड पॉइजनिंग वर्किंग इन लेड फैक्ट्री. लेड फैक्ट्री में जो आदमी काम करते हैं उनको भी लेड पॉइजनिंग ऑब्जर्व की गई. लेड पेंट, लेड गन शॉट, लेड पेट्रोल, पाइपलाइन, लेड इन ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल्सो लेड इज यूज्ड. मेन इज लेड पेट्रोल. जो कि लेड पोल्यूशन फैलाता है उसका मेन कॉज है लेड पेट्रोल. टेट्राइथाइल लेड और TEL. पेट्रोल और गैसोलीन इन व्हीकल इज मिक्स्ड विद TEL. TEL is anti-knocking agent. Engine burns slowly, not with explosion. Mixture is made in 1:60:1 ratio in refinery. Octane number of fuel increases. Started in 1921. 1921 में ये यूज करना स्टार्ट किया गया था अमेरिका में. Spread globally. उसके बाद ये पूरी दुनिया में फैल गया. Increasing hazardous lead in environment. इसके कारण एनवायरनमेंट में hazardous lead की मात्रा बढ़ गई. TEL plus 13O2 gives 8 CO2 plus 10 H2O plus lead. इसके कारण एनवायरनमेंट में lead का अमाउंट इंक्रीज होता है. lead plus O2 gives PbO. lead ऑक्साइड बनता है ऑक्सीजन के साथ मिलकर के. ह्यूमन ब्लड हैव lead टुडे. ह्यूमन ब्लड में अभी lead पाया जाता है. इसको कहते हैं BLL, ब्लड lead लेवल. should be less than 1 micron per DL. Higher, when it is higher, it deposits in bones. How lead reaches animal? Animal में lead कैसे पहुंचता है? vehicle के द्वारा soil में पहुंचता है. 350 मिलीग्राम पर किलोग्राम. More effect in children who eat soil, lick wall and other sources. बच्चे जो कि मिट्टी खाते हैं या फिर दीवार को लिक करते हैं उनमें ज्यादा मात्रा में पहुंचता है lead. vehicles, inverters, battery engine, occupational exposure. It also goes to children through mother's milk, small children. Lead poisoning is known as plumbism. It causes memory loss, vomit, stomach pain, irritating behavior, insomnia, anemia, fatigue, headache, coma. अमेरिका कॉन्डोर, क्रो, ईगल, इन सभी जानवर में लेड पाया गया। लेड रिप्लेसेस मेटल कंटेनिंग एंजाइम कैल्शियम, आयरन, जिंक। जो कि एंजाइम्स में कैल्शियम, आयरन और जिंक पाया जाता है, लेड उनको रिप्लेस कर देता है। ALAD, अल्फा अमीनो लेव्युलिनिक एसिड डिहाइड्रेटेज एंजाइम। जिंक एंजाइम मेक्स हीम और हीम में भी प्रवेश कर देता है। पीबी स्टॉप्स द प्रोसेस और हीमोग्लोबिन बनने की प्रोसेस को रोक देता है लेड, और इसके कारण एनीमिया हो जाता है। लेड पॉइजनिंग एंड प्लम्बिज्म। Lead used by human because of low melting point, non-rusting, and to sweeten alcohol. Saturnine gout is caused, and it comes from gunshot, lead paint, lead petrol pipeline. In beauty products also it is leadless petrol. TEL, tetraethyl lead, is very harmful. So many countries has stopped using TEL. America stopped its use in 1986. In 1991, in comparison of 1978, 78% reduction was there. Europe 2000 and China 2001 stopped the use of TEL. Globally, there is reduction in the use of TEL by 15%. New vehicles are used so that there is no use of TEL. It is anti-knocking agent. NO2, SO2, SPM, these are all produced. These are very hazardous. MTBE, methyl tertiary butyl ether, emulsifier. This is emulsifier, colorless, volatile, inflammable, scented, used as cheap solvent to dissolve liver and spleen stone, oxygenated in petrol, increase oxygen in petrol, so petrol becomes more effective. 2-liter barrel produced in America, 2 lakh barrel produced in America. 1955, Santa Monica, California. Its presence was found, can be identified by smell. It was found in wells, soils and water. Underground water also destroys kidney. जो MTBE है वो हमारी किडनी को डैमेज कर देता है. Emulsifier, so can carry benzene. Benzene carry करता है ये. Not biodegradable, so can be for very long time in environment. वाटर इज नॉट यूजेबल, और इसके द्वारा पॉल्यूटेड वाटर और सॉइल जो है उनको हम यूज नहीं कर सकते. MTBE इज हजार्ड. नाउ कम्स polychlorinated biphenyls. These are 1 to 10 chloride bearing chemicals. 209 types. PCBs के 209 types होते हैं. Electrical proof, so used in capacitors and transformers, also in adhesive, sealants, paint, lubricant, carbon-less copy paper. In 1977, it was banned in America due to its hazardous effects. Pollutant, because used and disposed, this is carcinogenic, कैंसर प्रोड्यूसिंग है ये. 1970, GEC, General Electrical Company, disposed 5 to 6 lakh tons PCB in Hudson River. 1970 में जनरल इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपनी ने 5 to 6 lakh ton PCB हडसन रिवर में डिस्पोज किया. Due to disposal, 300 km of Hudson River was affected. Due to biomagnification, fish which were captured were stopped because liver damage, skin disease, anemia, stomach, thyroid were affected, memory loss was there, and muscle infection was there. Effect of pollutant on wildlife, polar bear and whale were observed. Male and female developed in one animal, and animals cannot reproduce because of this. SWM is solid waste management. DWM is domestic waste management. MWM is municipal waste management. Management of solid waste is known as SWM. 400 to 600 gram of solid waste is generated in India per person per day. 2 kilogram per person is generated in America, but in India more solid waste is generated because population of India is more than western countries. Effective collection and transport. Solid waste should be collected and transported properly. Spillage should be zero or negligible. Laws should be followed for transport of hazardous chemical or HAZCHEM. Classification. A. Compostable, to make compost, that is leaf. B. Recyclable, metal and plastic. C. Hazardous, explosive and infectious waste. D. Non-biodegradable. E. Biodegradable, dead animals and slaughterhouse. Selection of appropriate site. Place should be chosen for landfill. It should not be polluted. Underground should be impermeable. Material should be chosen for lining. Place should be away from river, runnel, sewer and canal. Otherwise, this will pollute large areas and all water sources will also be polluted. Landfill should be far away from city. Decantation of deadly explosive waste. Dangerous and explosive waste should be separated. Toxic waste should be packaged in non-corrosive containers. Explosive waste should be inactivated. Compacting. Compacting should be done. Solid waste is pressed with the help of compactor and 400 to 500 milligram per centimeter. Covering, sealing and containment. Waste disposal place should not be extra loaded and place used for waste disposal should not be used by human for agriculture or other purposes. Insect and rat rearing does not take place in both mentioned methods. Bioaccumulation and biomagnification does not take place through food chain. Now comes combustion or incineration. Infectious or hazardous waste is burned and destroyed not in open but in incinerators. Many chemicals are explosive and create hazardous gases. Waste should be used for energy production. Monitoring. Landfill should be monitored. Waste minimization efforts. Waste should be minimized in all ways. Reused, recycled should be done. RRR. It is recycle, reuse and reduce. Metal and plastic can be recycled and reused. PET is polyethylene tetraphthalate pollutant. PET is pollutant. Reverse vending machine. In developed countries, PP polluter pays concept is not there in India. RRR should be there. Encouragement to minimum use. Justified and rational use of products should be more. Consumption, more solid waste developed. Country like Western countries, 2 kilogram waste per person is generated. In India, only 400-600 gram solid waste is generated per person, but population of India is more and more solid waste is generated. More consumption, so more pollution. Design and age of product. Pollution should be decreased and age of product should be increased. Solid waste should be decreased. Thank you.